Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi using an easy recipe. First, select a fresh head of napa cabbage, about 2 to 3 pounds. Cut it into 2-inch pieces, then thoroughly salt the cabbage with 1/4 cup of coarse sea salt. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours, turning occasionally, to draw out excess water. This step is essential for achieving that perfect crisp texture and deep flavor in your homemade kimchi. Now, let's create that incredible kimchi paste. In a large bowl, mix 1/2 cup of gochugaru, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. For a touch of sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of sugar or a small amount of grated apple. Finally, stir in 1 cup of grated daikon radish and 4 chopped green onions for freshness and texture. Once your cabbage is rinsed and thoroughly drained, it's time to combine everything. Wear gloves to protect your hands, then vigorously mix the paste with the cabbage until every piece is coated. Pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove air pockets. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on your desired tanginess, then transfer it to the refrigerator. Your delicious homemade kimchi is now ready to enjoy. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will continue to ferment slowly and stay fresh for several weeks. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a side dish, mixed into fried rice, or as a flavorful addition to soups and stews. It adds a wonderful depth and probiotic boost to any meal. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.